Hindi, English.
Good morning, everyone. This is for the sign addition. Kindly switch off your mobile phone after keep them in silent mode. Thank you.
Recording in progress.
May I seek your lordship kind permission for commencement of the proceedings?
Yes.
Firstly, I will read the notification issued by the Government of India, Ministry of Law and Justice, Department of Justice, Jaisalmer House, number 26, Mansingh Road, New Delhi, dated 8 June 2022. Notification. In exercise of the power conferred by Clause 1 of Article 224 of the Constitution of India, the President is pleased to appoint Shri Chapudidira Monappa Poonacha to be an additional judge of the Karnataka High Court for a period of 2 years, with effect from the date he assumes the charge of his office. Signed 8/6/2022, Rajendra Kashyap, Additional Secretary to the Government of India. I will read the authorization issued by His Excellency the Governor of Karnataka. Order. Under Article 219 of the Constitution of India, I, Tawarchand Gehlot, Governor of Karnataka, do hereby authorize Shri Justice Rituraj Avasti, Chief Justice of High Court of Karnataka, before whom Shri Chapudira Monappa Poonacha, appointed to be an additional judge of the Karnataka High Court, shall make and subscribe an oath or affirmation, signed 9/6/2022, Tawarchand Gehlot, Governor of Karnataka. I will read the warrant received from the Rashtrapati Bhavan. By virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 224 of the Constitution of India, I, Ramnath Kovind, President of India, do hereby appoint Shri Chapudira Monappa Poonacha to be an additional judge of the Karnataka High Court for a period of 2 years with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 7th day of June in the year 2022, 70 Jesta 1944 Saka, in the 73rd year of Republic of India, signed Ramnath Kovind, President of India. I will read the warrant in Hindi also. मैं रामनाथ कोविंद भारत का राष्ट्रपति भारत के संविधान के अनुच्छेद 224 की खंड 1 द्वारा मुझमें निहित शक्ति से यथार्थ द्वारा
the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully, to the best of my ability, knowledge, and judgment, perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Chairman of the Karnataka State Bar Council to deliver
Honorable Shri Justice Rituraj Avasthi, Chief Justice High Court of Karnataka, companion judges Bengaluru, Dharwad, and Kalburgi, Shri Prabhulim K. Nawadgi, Learned Advocate General, M.P. Nargund, Additional Solicitor General of India, Shri Shanti Bhushan, Shri Venkatesh Karekal, Sudhir Singh, Assistant Solicitor General, R. Subramanya, Dhyan Chinnappa, Prasanna Deshpande, Vidyavati Kottu Sitter, Arun Cham, Y. Vijay Kumar, Learned Additional Advocate General, Shri B.R. Chandramouli, Vice Chairman, Karnataka State Bar Council, Y.R. Sadasya Reddy, Co-Chairman, Bar Council of India, and colleague members of the Karnataka State Bar Council, Vijay Kumar Silvan, V.S. Hegde, State Public Prosecutors, Shri Vivek Subbareddy, President, Shri Ravi, Secretary, Shri Harish, Treasurer of Advocates Association, Bengaluru, Learned Senior Councils, President, Women Federation, Learned Registrars and Judicial Officers, family members of Honorable Justice C.M. Poonacha, learned member of the legal fraternity, ladies and gentlemen. We have all assembled here today on the happy occasion to welcome Honorable Mr. Justice C.M. Poonacha on his elevation as an additional judge of High Court of Karnataka. It is great pleasure and proud moment to extend a warm and affectionate welcome on behalf of the Karnataka State Bar Council and legal fraternity of the entire state. I extended a warm and affectionate welcome to all of you who have assembled for this great moment. Honorable Mr. Justice C.M. Poonacha, you have born on 6th April 1974 as the second son to Srimati Saila Monappa and late C.M. Monappa, who was also an advocate by profession, who have completed your school from Baldwin Boy College, Bengaluru. You have obtained and pre-university education, Vijay College, Bengaluru. You have obtained your law degree from University Law College, Bengaluru. You have enrolled as an advocate in the Karnataka State Bar Council on 23rd October 1998. After enrollment on the rolls of this Bar Council, you joined the chambers of Mr. S.K.V. Chalapati, Senior Advocate, and later practiced along with your father, late C.M. Monappa, Within a short span of time, that is merely 3 years, you were able to establish a law firm. You have practiced in all fields of law. You are known for unique status of appearing from forums to Supreme Court of India. You served as a panel advocate for various state and central government bodies, banks, insurance companies, and other institutions. You were always ready and willing to render advice and opinions on various issues like intellectual property, SEBI guidelines, regulations, cyber laws, etc. You have handled a number of arbitrations, including International Chamber of Commerce and other international organizations. Your active participation in organizing as arbitrator shows your care and concern about the society. You empaneled with the Karnataka State Legal Service Authority, High Court of Karnataka from 2015, and successfully organized many events and were appointed as the additional government advocate, High Court of Karnataka in August 2020. Your thirst for learning never ended, though you were well settled in practice as you obtained a diploma in entrepreneurship, administration, and business law from National University of Juridical Sciences, Kolkata in the year 2016 and 17. You never lost any opportunity for learning, and a small example is that attend the summer course in private international law at Hague Academy of International Law, Netherlands in August 2016. You have tremendous potentiality and will enlighten others with your academic intelligence and knowledge. You have enlightened them by being speaker in various seminars at all levels in different branches of law. You have participated in the National Seminar Organization by the National Design and Research Forum. You have not restricted your academic qualification only, but also shown great interest in sports activities and participated in a marathon and trekking. You are happily married to Srimati Savita Poonacha, an advocate by profession. You are blessed with Dr. Hita Poonacha, who is completed her 12th class, and son Somaya, who is studying 3rd class. There are some needs common to both lawyers and judges. Intellectual stimulus is one among them. It is only after becoming a judge that you begin to realize that there is even less time than as a lawyer for doing serious reading of both legal and non-legal literature. Having forum to meet, discuss, and exchange ideas is helpful both the judges and lawyers equally. We are the members of bar are responsible partners in the task of dispensation of justice, and I assure that the Karnataka State Bar Council will extend unstained support. I once again join with the members of bar and in extending wholehearted cooperation and coordination in discharge of your duties as a judge of this court. The role of lawyers and judges is very much important to maintain the glory, greatness of the profession of law in order to command the confidence and respect of society. We have high expectations of your valuable contribution, your wisdom and knowledge to bring the great impact in the judiciary as well as to this High Court. We assure that our full cooperation in your endeavor to dispense speedy and substantially create a new era in the judiciary. Once again, I welcome you, sir. Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Which will welcome you, sir. Jai Hind, Jai Hind.
Javasti, now would be Learned Advocate General. Shri M.B. Nargun, Learned Additional Solicitor General, Learned Additional Advocates General, Learned SPP, Shri Shanti Bhushan, Learned Assistant Solicitor General, Law Officers of State and Central Governments, Shri Vivek Reddy, President, and other office bearers and members of the Advocates Association, Bangalore, Shri Suresh Hudedgadi, President, and office bearers and members of the Advocates Association, High Court, Dharwad, Shri Rajkumar Kadigninji, President, and other office bearers and members of the Advocates Association, High Court, Kalburgi, Shri Motakpalli Kashinath, Chairman, and other members of the Karnataka State Bar Council, Srimati Suman Hegde, President, Federation of Women's Lawyers, judicial officers, officers of the registry and staff of the High Court and District Judiciary, learned senior advocates, learned members of the bar, ladies and gentlemen. I thank the Chairman of the Bar Council for the warm welcome accorded. I deem it an honor and a privilege for having been considered suitable to be appointed to this august office. I take this opportunity to express my gratitude to the members of the Collegium of the Honorable Supreme Court of India, headed by Honorable Chief Justice Shri N.V. Ramana, as also the endorsement made by the Honorable Judges of the Supreme Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Vineet Saran, Honorable Mr. Justice Dinesh Maheshwari, Honorable Mr. Justice Abdul Nazir, and Honorable Mr. Justice E.S. Bopanna, and for having reposed their faith in me. Late Honorable Mr. Justice Mohan M. Shantangowda will always be in my revered memory. I also express my gratitude to the members of the then Collegium of this Honorable Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Abhay Srinivas Ok, Honorable Mrs. Justice V. Nagratna, presently Judges Supreme Court of India, and Honorable Mr. Justice Arvind Kumar, presently Chief Justice High Court of Gujarat, for having considered me worthy of this honor. I express my gratitude to all those involved in the appointment process, including sitting and retired judges who have, from time to time, guided me and have been a source of strength and support. I accept this appointment with all humility. The present moment is one of those moments where one is at the crossroads of not only one's professional career, but also one's life. It is but natural during such moments to reminisce the past and also acknowledge the role played by various persons. I deem it appropriate to begin with the role played by my late father, Shri C.M. Monnappa, who was an advocate practicing before this honorable court, for having a great influence on me, from whom I imbibed the values of life, apart from the nuances of the profession. Shri S.K.V. Chalapati, senior advocate, in whose chambers I began my professional career, from whom I learned the rudiments of the profession, who is largely responsible for my evolution as a lawyer. I fondly recollect the time when a few college mates got together to start a law firm while still at the initial days of our profession. Lex Plexus is the manifestation of dreams of young professionals starting off, and the journey that we traveled for the past more than 20 years, and the bond shared in that process, which was like an extended family, which will always be cherished in my memory. I thoroughly enjoyed my journey as a lawyer, and the same would not have been possible without the confidence reposed in me by clients and fellow lawyers at the bar. Without them, this journey in the manner in which it turned out would not have been possible. I consider myself fortunate to have been the recipient of good wishes in abundance. Various senior members and colleagues at the bar have from time to time showered the love and affection and guided me through my professional career. I also acknowledge the opportunity given to me to serve the office of the Advocate General. The wide variety of matters that I was exposed to and the different perspective with which a law officer of the state was required to approach matters was a great learning curve as a professional. The role played by my teachers, both in school and at college, have been a considerable influence in shaping me into the person that I am today. My family has been an immense source of strength and support throughout my life, without whom it would not have been possible to face and overcome the numerous challenges, both in my personal and professional life. The members of my family, both immediate and extended, who are present here today, hold a special significance in my life. Recollecting the first days of entering this imposing red High Court building as a young law student, as well as during the initial days of the profession, to the present of adorning the bench of this great institution, is a dream come true. I deem this to be a tryst with destiny. I thank the members of the bar who have taken time out and are present here today, especially those who have come from out of station. The journey ahead in discharging the duties of the present office are entirely different from the journey traveled thus far and are indeed challenging. The demands of the office are onerous. It is not possible to undertake the journey ahead without the support and good wishes of one and all. I firmly believe the task of administration of justice is an act ordained by the divine. In the discharge of duties in the times to come, I seek and look forward to the support and guidance of my brother and sister judges, members of the bar, as well as my family members. I am conscious of the demands of this office. I assure one and all that I will discharge my duties true to the high principles enshrined in the oath of office, in letter and in spirit, with all dedication. I shall not fail the trust reposed in me, and it shall be my earnest endeavor to maintain the highest traditions of this great institution. Thank you, one and all. Jai Hind.
I think your lordship find permission for conclusion of the
Yes.
Recording